Hello guys, it's that Dividend guy here coming at you with another dividend investing video. Want to start it off by saying happy Tuesday. Today was a little rough for us today in the market, but we're going to go over the portfolio performance and then the individual stock analysis. I do want to apologize because yesterday was actually a recap of Friday because it was MLK Day and the market was closed. So technically, this will be the first video of the week. But I still got decent views and I did go over my watch list, so there's still a lot of value in that video. Anyway, let's jump right in. So today we are down about $40 and some change, 45 bucks, 42 to $45, not a big deal depending on when the market closes. For the week we're down $21, not a big deal. For the month we're down 263, which is a decent hit, but I'm still not super worried about it. 3-month mark we're up to $1,300. For the year we're up 24, and all time we're still up $2,300, so not too worried about that. Now let's check the individual stocks, see what they did today. 98 shares of Altria, almost $5,000 of equity in the stock. 45.30 is our average cost, and we have about 29% of the portfolio, almost 30% of the portfolio in Altria stock, which I'm hoping to change that by buying up on more stocks. So today we are down 98 cents, or a 0.02% return. Total return since we bought the stock is $559.25, or 12.6% return on investment on that one stock, which is phenomenal. Coca-Cola closed at $57.17 today. We have 17 shares, about $970 of equity in Coca-Cola stock. Average cost is $51.10, about 6%, 5.76% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. Today we're up $3.91, or 0.4%. Total we're up $103.21, or up 11.8%. And Coca-Cola is one of the first stocks that I bought. I'm very brand loyal to Coca-Cola. I'm sure you guys have heard it on other videos, but I love me some Coca-Cola. So that will be one of the positions that does get built up this year in 2020. Next, we have AT&T. Looks like we are up about 11 cents on this. Today we have 62 shares, about $2,400 in equity in AT&T stock. Average cost is $31.10. We have about 14.14% of the portfolio dedicated to AT&T stock. Today we are up $6.82, or a 0.29% return, and total we are up $459.20, or a 23.76% return on investment. That's awesome too. Next, we have AbbVie, which is down a little bit. It's only a cent, but I mean, we'll take it. It's not $89 anymore. So we have 60 shares, about $5,300 of equity in AbbVie stock. We have a $72.22 average cost. We have 31.2% of the portfolio dedicated to AbbVie stock, which is way too high in my opinion. I do need to shorten that or make that a smaller percentage, so I'm not so dedicated to Altria and AbbVie together make up more than 60% of my portfolio. And the reason is because I did double up on Altria stock. It was not that big of a position, but I sold out of FRT because I saw that the dividend versus price ratio of Altria Group was better, so I doubled up on it when the price was lower, which I don't regret that, but I do need to really refocus my diversification and build up other positions so I'm not so heavily weighted in AbbVie and Altria Group. Next, we have SKT. This is the newest position in the portfolio, Tanger Factory Outlet Centers. Closed today at $15.93. We're up 56 cents today. That's great. We have 5 shares, about $80 worth of equity in this stock. Average cost is $15.29. It's about 0.4 or 0.5% of the portfolio, so 0.5%. This, just like Coca-Cola, is one of those that I do want to build up. Today alone, we are up $2.80, or 3.64%. In total, we're up $3.18, or 4.16%. So still doing good on this position. Again, like I showed you guys at the beginning of the month when Altria did pay, I took the chance to reinvest into Altria stock, which I will do. I feel like it's good up until about the $55 range to reinvest in the dividends into the stock. So it's not like AT&T and AbbVie where I feel like they're overpriced a bit. I might still do AT&T. I really am a fan of AT&T stock, so I probably will reinvest it there and then just use the remaining like $60 to invest in other stocks. I'm not sure yet. I do really want O in my portfolio too, so I'm kind of like trying to figure it out. But this is the newest position. We have 5 shares. We're up on them, but this is one of those that I do want to build up in the future, just like Coca-Cola. Next, we have Target, who's falling like a knife, which is great for me. We have we lost $2.88 today alone. Ooh, sorry, Target investors. People who have a lot of their portfolio in them are really going to be hurting today. We have 10 shares. We have almost $1,200 of equity in the stock. Average price is $87.68. And we have almost 7% of the portfolio dedicated to Target stock. We're down $28 today. Funny enough, we're still up almost $265, or 30% on this stock, even though it's down so far. This is why you buy low, guys. I have had discussions about Target stock a lot in the comments, and I just want you guys to know that it's probably going to be like the 4th biggest position in this spot because it's in 36912, and that also is shared with Johnson & Johnson. It's shared with 3M, and it's also shared with McDonald's. So there are stocks that I like more in this spot, but this is a dividend king, and I'm very loyal to them as well. Next, we have ExxonMobil, who's down $1, about 88 cents. 28 shares, have about $2,000 in the stock. 73.50 is our average cost, so we're down. About 12% of the portfolio is placed in ExxonMobil stock. We're down $25 today, or 1.28%. Total, we are down about $170 at 7.92%. So that, just like SKT and Coca-Cola, is one that I would bump up if I had the opportunity. Walgreens, last stock here, closed at a deficit of 54 cents today. We have 1 share, 53.87 is our equity. Our average cost is 54.60. We have 0.3% of the portfolio in Walgreens stock. Today we're down about 1% at 54 cents. In total, we're down 73 cents, or $1.34. So this would be a buying opportunity for me in Walgreens stock. So overall, guys, we didn't do too bad today. We are down, but I'm not super worried about it. Long term, like I said, as long as we're up at the 3-month and beyond, I'm okay. So no complaints here. I do wish we had a little bit more green to celebrate today on Tuesday, but that's all right. Fluctuation comes with holding stocks in the market. So I'm a buy, hold, long-term dividend investor. So this volatility is actually welcomed. Because remember, when there's blood in the streets, you buy like a freak. That's not Warren Buffett's quote, but it's close. So this has given us great buying opportunities. The only issue is I'm in between jobs, so I can't deploy or allocate cash to my portfolio like I would like to, but I still want to get the portfolio up to like 22K by the end of the year, which is kind of shallow, but I got to have a smaller goal this year just because I don't have as much free cash. So anyways, guys, I will see you tomorrow for another dividend investing video. Take care. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit the bell notification. And I also want to really thank everybody who's been commenting on my videos and giving me stock tips and buying and selling advice, stuff like that. I love going back and forth with people. Like I said, I have had some discussions about Target and SKT and Altria's. It's just so wonderful, guys. I love that we're building a community here around dividend investing, and it just makes me feel so free. It's such a great thing to have. So I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing and tuning into the videos every day. It really does mean a lot to me. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Remember, stay positive, keep investing, and hold for the long term. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.